So welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I have this Koenigsegg CC850 by Hot Wheels Premium Boulevard Mix 3 for 2026, and it is a brand new casting for this year. I'll be posting more videos on this Boulevard Mix 3 set, or if it's already uploaded it will be linked in this video. So anyways, let's uncard this. Alright, so here we have the casting, and it comes in this beautiful glittery silver paint. It's called Moon Silver. From the front it has the headlight details, a very small Koenigsegg logo, and there are hood scoops over here. We get side view mirrors poking out. Great designs from the side. The interior seats also look great in the black and orange colors. On the back we get these really cool taillight details. Koenigsegg is written here as well, and there is a large diffuser which is part of the metal base. Speaking of which, is painted gloss black and has no details. The wheels are real rider 5-spoke modern wheels in grey trims. And that's all there is for this casting. Let me know your thoughts on this beautiful Koenigsegg casting, which is brand new for this year. Make sure to check out other castings from this set, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.